welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to show y'all how to make your own refresher spray. So first of all, I'm going to take my glasses off. But yeah, refresher sprays are definitely very essential, especially if you have a twist out or a wash and go that needs a little bit of moisture, but you don't want to drench your head completely. You just want to do a little spray, add a little mist to add a little moisture back into your hair. So I'm going to show you how to make one. You can buy one, but why? You know what I'm saying? Why? So yeah. So all you need is a spray bottle filled with water, right? It doesn't have to be this big. I'm gonna show you some refresher sprays as well, but it doesn't have to be this big. You can get a small bottle, right? Fill it with some water. You're gonna take your favorite conditioner or leave-in conditioner or deep conditioner. You can even use deep conditioner. This is one of my favorites. This is Honey Love Organics Meant to Be conditioner. I really love this. I got it at Glow & Flow Beauty Supply store. It's very thick too, so you just take it. Pour a little bit in there, and then you're gonna take a little bit of oil. I love amla oil, so this is my own little mixture. I'm gonna take a little bit of amla oil or whatever oil you like. Okay. And you're gonna put the top on and you're gonna shake it up. Bam. And now you have a refresher spray. It's literally that easy and that simple. Or you can just use plain water. But I found these kits. I forgot I had these little kits here. You can even use a leave-in spray. So these two right here are from Uncle Funky's daughter. So basically, this is the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. And then I also have the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner as well. So we're gonna read the label because I forgot how to use these. Okay, so this says spray onto wet or dry curls to moisturize and define. Excellent for day after Curly Magic Curl Stimulator use. Okay, so this is a Curly Magic. I'm just gonna show y'all the whole kit. Then you have the extra butter. And then you also have the Super Curl Moisture Cream. So this is a really good kit, especially if you're traveling and you're looking for a travel kit, or if you just want to try the products. Uncle Funky's daughter, their line is really good, but what they're really known for is their Curly Magic. That's what they're really known for. It didn't work on me, or at least I don't think it worked for me. So yeah, but I don't do wash and goes anyway. So I'm just going to use this because this is a refresher spray. Just gonna spray my curls. And it just puts some moisture back into my hair. Very, very lightweight, not sticky. I actually didn't think about using refresher sprays until I saw a TikTok. I thought refresher sprays were only for wash and goes, but this girl, she used it on a twist out, and I was like, maybe I can use a refresher spray. Let me see. And then I found these in my little drawer, so I was like, let me go ahead and use it. And then, you know, when TikTok, once you like a video on TikTok, it starts showing you videos like it. So I was like, I saw videos on how to make a refresher spray and things like that. So I was like, okay, I'm definitely gonna make my own little refresher spray for, you know, when my hair isn't old. Well, it is old. It is day 10. So this is day 10 hair and it still looks good. Shout out to Melanin Hair Care, because Melanin Hair Care is that girl. You understand what I'm saying? I really, really love my Melanin Hair Care products. All I used was the leave-in conditioner and the oil. I didn't even use the twisting cream. But yeah, anyway, I wanted to make a refresher spray because I wanted my hair to last a little bit longer. I am going to wash it pretty soon because I want it to be washed sometime during next week. But yeah, this is a good alternative if you want to just add a little bit of moisture to your hair. And I really, really like that. So yeah, but like I said, you don't necessarily have to buy one. As I Am has a good refresher spray, and Camille Rose has a good refresher spray too, and Uncle Funky's Daughter. But like I said, you can make one at home. You can also use rose water as well. I've seen a couple girls use rose water, especially for their locks. So yeah, all you need is a little bit of conditioner, a little bit of oil, and some water, okay? And you have a good refresher spray. Let me read the ingredients. Let me see. Ingredients. Okay, water, glycerin, coconut milk, leaf extract, sage leaf extract, rosemary leaf extract, horsetail extract, citric acid. Okay, there's some decent stuff in here. A bunch of extracts. I fuck with it. Free of mineral oils, parabens, synthetic dyes, sulfates, and phthalates. So yeah, this is just a good revitalizing mist, and you can take this on the go with you as well. It's small enough for you to fit in your little purse. And the leave-in conditioner is also a spray, which I would use this as a revitalizing spray, because leave-in conditioners don't work for me. They just like, that doesn't do anything for my hair. So I would use this as a revitalizing spray as well. I like the way that smells. Okay, yeah. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you how to make a quick refresher spray and these really, really good products. I have another one here. So this is what it's gonna look like when it comes. So these are all the products right here. Let it focus. These are all the products. So this is how it's gonna look in the store. And then here on the back, it gives you a good description of everything, right? So the leave-in conditioner, the Midnight Train leave-in conditioner, strengthens tresses and promotes growth. The Super Curl Moisture Cream stretches curls, adds shine, and hydrates. The extra butter curl forming cream creates elongation and definition for lasting styles. The Curly Magic Stimulator provides firm hold, shine, and definition. The leave-in curl revitalizer it revives the bounce in frizzy falling curls. And that's what I used right here. So yeah, and it also lists the key ingredients of each product as well. So the Midnight Train leave-in conditioner, the key ingredients are organic aloe vera, olive oil, sunflower oil, and nettle. Okay. The Super Curl Moisture Cream key ingredients are soybean oil, coconut oil, honey, and shea butter. The Extra Butter key ingredients are coconut oil, palm kernel oil, shea butter, and organic aloe vera. The Curl Stimulator key ingredients are organic aloe vera, marshmallow, chamomile, and nettle. And the Thirsty Curls, which is what I just used on my hair, key ingredients is coconut milk, nettle, chamomile, and comfrey. Okay. All right, that's different. But yeah, so that is how you use refresher sprays, just to, make your curls not feel dry and to just bring them life. And that is exactly what I needed for my hair. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.